Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today we got a new train that just came into the mail today. And we're going to be checking this thing out. And yeah, here we go. So we're going to take off the plastic real quick. And let me just take my... Alright, it's a NASA Blue box. Here we go. Take a guess. Put it in the comments what you think it's going to be. Alright, if you have. Wow. Look at this. Now, I haven't even opened this thing yet, and oh my gosh. Look at this. Let's set this down. I'm going to move the box real quick. Look at this. Let's turn on some lights. Let's get a better view of this thing. So here it is. CSX C44-9, I believe. Really nice. Really nice locomotive. It's my first one. It's going to have to put couplers on it. I believe it's DC, but I do not know that. It is powered. It has fairly good weight to it. Take a look at the front here. Very nice. Let's go to the other side. See all the detail on it. Take a look at the back there. Very nice once again. Let's set that down here real quick. Let's actually set this over here on the plastic wrap. And let's look what's inside the box over here. It's got this little thing right here. Some parts. Parts to it. Probably just little pieces to it. I don't know. Detail bits. Sorry if you hear anybody in the background. Just family once again. More little detailed parts. Railing. And foam and stuff like that. And you got the manual and stuff. There's another one of those. Manual. And how to put everything together. So yeah, let's get this thing running. I'm gonna put it on the track, and we really can't do a pull test right now, but yeah, we'll put this on the track, and I'll put this on the track, and I'll be right back with you. Oh yeah, and by the way, this isn't my normal layout. I have just moved around, so well, I haven't moved, but yeah, I just wanted to have a little bit larger space for this. So you see here, this is it, and I'm gonna see if it does have DCC inside of it or not. If it makes like a weird sound, and I know it won't be DCC. Let's listen. Yeah, that is not DCC, sadly, but that's still really nice locomotive. And I'm going to connect everything up real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, let's see how this thing runs. All right, it's going backwards. Might need to get new oil in it. We'll do a run by of this thing. But yeah, the Athearn CSX C44-9, I believe. Yes, by GE. Once again, very nice locomotive. If you could get this locomotive, I really recommend it. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, and here's the run by of the train.